What's going on, guys? I am Banker with Custom Offsets, and I am here for a lifts and levels with you guys. Now, this is going to be the GM 3.5-inch knuckle kit. This actually fits all of the 07 new body style to current 18-year model trucks. All right, guys, so we got the lift kit installed. It's back. Yes, it's on the ground. I know Fuller and Brad hate it, but I like showing you guys where the angles are at. So let's take a look at this 3.5-inch rough country and see what it looks like installed. So obviously what's going to first stand out to you is going to be the lifted strut. So again, instead of a spacer on top, rough country offers this full strut replacement. Throw this bad boy in there. Now again, you'll see upper control arm is the factory one because we wanted the lift knuckle. Now, if you look at the angle of the knuckle, it actually angles up to try and fix this bulging angle, and this is about as close as to what you're going to see sitting on the ground for CV axle and ball joint angle. So you'll see it's a lot better than a lot of the other spacer kits when you use the factory knuckle with your stock control arm. In here, you'll notice the diff drop that I had talked about, and it's only an inch, but you'll see how much better it makes that CV angle while you're in there. Out back, fairly simple. You go with a bigger block and an NX2 rear shock, gets you level with the front. So again, it's a very simple kit, but that's all you need to go 3.5 inches on these trucks. So that is the kit, remember, for the 07 new body style all the way through the 2018 body style Silverado Sierra 1500s. Peace.